I just finished installing the MotoProCam with the DVR unit on my CTX 700N. I've located the front camera here using my previously shorty stub mount for my Sony Action Cam. And on the speed side, I've attached the GPS unit and also an activator button that lets you take still pictures during your ride. And of course, I've routed all of those things back through under the tank to this under the seat area, where I also have the DVR unit stored. There's no need to get to that unit with the exception of swapping out the 128 gig card. But other than that, you don't need to get into this area once you've installed it all. And it's Wi-Fi accessible, so I can pull recorded videos off of the bike onto my server in my home. The other thing to keep in mind, that this is keyed, so the minute the bike starts, you are recording until you finish. That's a really nice feature. I used to have to keep my battery charged up on my camera, on my old camera, and now as long as you're riding the bike, it is recording, and I say that 128 gigabyte card should last me quite a long time. Plus it can be reformatted as well. The rear camera I routed, as you can see, through a small hole I made in the upper area of the back wheel well. And then of course I've mounted that camera here on the back. So I'm actually recording front and rear simultaneously on the bike. It was an easy install, and all connectors made up, and they're color coded. So red is power, the yellow is the GPS unit, the black is the power adapter, and of course each camera, front and rear, mounts using the black coax cabling. The white on mine happens to be the rear camera link.